Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. I'm here to go over our agenda for March 19th, 2021. I will not be with you for block 4 today, and so I'm recording this agenda so that way you are aware of the assignments and due dates. And if you need to have any questions answered, please send me an email and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, so as we click on the red subfolder at the top of our Schoology page for March 19th, 2021, you'll be able to see we have our figurative language notes for part 2, which will be paired with these video links. I got them all approved, so they should work. If they don't, please just send me an email. They are example videos for idioms, hyperboles, oxymorons, assonance, and onomatopoeias. I believe that if you should have any issues with the video, send me an email and let me know that you are going to Google examples instead. Okay? Thank you very much. And then for Activity 4, we are starting our To Kill a Mockingbird web quest. You should not need a To Kill a Mockingbird book for this web quest. All of the information is provided. However, if you would like a copy of the book, there are copies in the bin up front with the substitute. Okay? So there is a web quest, which is through Google Slides that looks like this. And so it goes in sections. There's sections about the author, about the time period, about different events that happen, and they come with a Google link that you will use to go to the website provided to answer the questions that are linked through the website. Alrighty, so if you have any questions about those things, please send me an email. I would be happy to answer any questions. Those are the assignments along with these 2 ed puzzles. One's on the brief history of Black Tuesday, which is to do with the stock market crash, and then the Scottsboro Boys. So we have figurative language notes part 2 with these videos, and then the To Kill a Mockingbird web quest with these 2 ed puzzles are the assignments for today. Those assignments are due on Monday, March 22nd, 2021 at midnight. We won't be using class time on Monday to work on those, so please plan accordingly. Also, keep in mind that your silent reading reflection that we did yesterday is technically due tonight at midnight, so if you did not get a chance to comment on somebody else's silent reading reflection, please make sure that you do so by midnight tonight. Also, remember to log your silent reading. We should be silent reading at the beginning of class for 15 minutes. And you need to log that in the weeks 5 through 8 log and then submit that log. Also, your article options persuasive writing. So that was the writing that you were working on yesterday about either self-driving cars, trophy hunting, or college football during a pandemic. Those were your options. That is due tonight at midnight. So please make sure that you have that completed and submitted. Alrighty. Those are all of our assignments for today. Once again, if you have any questions, please send me an email and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you are encountering any kind of technology issues or do have questions, since the assignments that are being assigned today, which is the 19th, aren't due till Monday, we do have a little bit of time to talk about those. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.